Welcome guys, today I'm with Marshall Acton II speaker and I'm going to show you how you can connect this speaker with your MacBook. So at first you have to remember to power on this speaker by using this button, so hold it. As you can see, indicators are up, so right now you have to simply switch from the auxiliary cable by tapping on this button. So we have to select the Bluetooth and then you have to click and hold this button to move this speaker to the pairing mode. Click and hold until this indicator starts blinking. After that you can simply release that button and then just put back this speaker. Right now on your MacBook you have to open the Bluetooth settings, enable by tapping right here, go for the Bluetooth preferences, take a look on available devices list and wait until the speaker pops right here. As you can see, here it is, so select. Right now go for the main settings, open the Bluetooth, open the sound, and be sure that it automatically switch from MacBook speakers to the external Acton II. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.